Are you running low on medical supplies or upgrade materials in ARC Raiders? Collecting plants can be slow and dangerous, but there's a method to fill your inventory in just minutes. Here's the best farming route for 2026. Step 1. The right gear. Before heading out, make sure you equip gathering tools that increase yield. This season, certain backpack attachments allow you to gain 20% more resources per node collected. Don't go farming without them if you want to be efficient. Step 2. The secret location. Forget searching for plants randomly across the map. Head to the Buried Valley, specifically near the abandoned greenhouses to the north. In this area, the spawn rate of rare plants is 3 times higher than in the rest of the map, and the nodes are very close to each other. Step 3. The rotation route. The key to fast farming is following a circular pattern. Start at the main greenhouse, move toward the dry riverbed, and return through the eastern hill. By the time you complete the loop, the first nodes will have already respawned, allowing you to farm endlessly without moving to another dangerous area. Step 4. Stay under the radar. The ARCs detect fast movement. Use smoke grenades or stealth abilities if you hear a drone nearby. Losing your loot by dying on the way back is the #1 mistake beginners make, and that's how you do it. With this route, you'll have more than enough materials for all your missions. If this video was helpful, consider subscribing and don't forget to leave a like. See you in the next video.